Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy recipes your family will love. Today I'm here with one of my family's favorites. This recipe is for 5-ingredient baked rotini. That's right, it's only 5 ingredients and it comes together in a flash. It's a delicious, cheesy pasta dish that everybody loves. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is bring a large stock pan of water to a rapid boil. Once the water is boiling, heavily salt with kosher salt. Add in 16 ounces of rotini pasta. You can use white or whole wheat. Let that cook for 1 minute less than the package states. Once the pasta has cooked, remove a half a cup of the cooking liquid from your pot. Then drain the pasta. Add the cooked pasta to a large mixing bowl. Add in liquid that you reserved from the pot, 28 ounces of marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce, 1 egg that's been mixed together. Add in 16 ounces of cottage cheese and mix that well. Pour the pasta into a large 2-quart baking pan. Cover generously with shredded mozzarella cheese. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Dish up this cheesy pasta dish and be ready to deliver smiles to your family. You guys hit subscribe so that anytime I'm sharing with you more easy recipes that are tried and true that your family will love, you will be alerted. And happy cooking.